In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted links from your PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever been frustrated by outdated or incorrect links in your documents or simply need to clean things up a bit, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and take this step by step. First, you'll want to start by launching Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once you've got that running, go ahead and open the PDF file you want to edit. This is your workspace where all the magic happens. Now that your document is open, navigate over to the Tools tab at the top of your screen. Adobe Acrobat Pro offers a variety of tools, but today our focus is on editing PDFs, so you'll want to click on the Edit PDF option. This will open up a handy toolbar with lots of editing features designed to make changes to your document. With the editing toolbar in view, locate the option that says Link. It's a drop-down menu, and from here, you'll want to select Add Edit Web or Document Link. Essentially, what this does is allow us to interact directly with the hyperlinks within your document. When you select this option, Acrobat will automatically highlight all the existing links in your PDF. You'll notice that they're outlined with rectangles, making them easy to spot. At this point, you can click on each link rectangle individually to select it. This is crucial because selecting the rectangle makes Acrobat aware of which link you're focusing on. After selecting a link, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. This action removes the selected link from the document. Quick, simple, and effective. Scan through your document and repeat this process for every link you wish to remove. Click on the rectangle to select and then hit Delete. It's as straightforward as that. Going through each link ensures that none are missed in the process. Taking these steps will help you maintain a clean document without any unnecessary or unwanted links cluttering it up. This process can be particularly useful if you're repurposing a document, ensuring readers stay focused only on the content that's relevant. In summary, start with opening your document in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Head to the Tools tab, select Edit PDF, and work with the links under the Add, Edit Web, or Document Link option. By quickly removing each unnecessary link, your PDF will be neat and up to date, all thanks to just a few simple steps. So there you have it. Easy, right? Now you can confidently remove any unwanted links from your PDFs with ease.